This is Andrew Stotz of Stotz Investment Research, looking at Taiwan, which has good profitability and is the highest dividend yield in Asia. Let's look at the four components of a country that I look at, first starting with GDP. What we can see here is that GDP over the last 4 quarters is about 2.43%. That's relatively slow growth in Asia. The drivers have been private consumption and investment. Let's look at private consumption for a moment. It was up about 2.6% and accounts for 56% of the overall economy. Therefore, it contributed 1.48% to the 2.43% growth in GDP. The other main contributor was investment, which was up 4.4% and contributed about 1%. The laggard was exports, which we can see slightly negative. Now let's look at the overall country and see 24 million people. GDP per capita is about $22,500 US, and the market cap to GDP is about 218. The market volume is 4.4 billion US dollars, so highly liquid. And we can see 1,871 companies listed on the market. Now, the Taiwanese market has been going up, that's the yellow line, but not enough to outperform the rest of Asia. It's got the third highest ROE in Asia in the past 12 months at about 13%. Considering the profitability, 2017 consensus estimate price to book is not very expensive, about 2 times compared to other markets in Asia. Also, it's got the highest 4% or so dividend yield. All right, let's look at the Stotz 4 elements, FVMR, which we rank Taiwan relative to its peers in Asia. What we can see is that the overall ranking is about a 5, so average, moderate. Fundamentals, well, it's the third highest ROE in Asia in the past 12 months. It's ranked at an 8. Also, valuation is attractive, highest dividend yield and a moderate valuation on price to book. Momentum, well, below average earnings growth and good price momentum, so not bad. But risk, it's a relatively high beta compared to Asia ex Japan. Finally, let's look at the performance of the market by sector, and what we can first see is that infotech accounts for a whopping 50% of the market, financials 12 and materials 10. That's the biggest skew towards infotech out of all the markets in Asia. And the best sector in stock, well, industrials was up 5%, and high wind technology was up 35.7%. The worst performing was real estate, down about 5%, and the company High Wealth Construction Corporation was down 18%. Not so high wealth. All right, so get access to our research and articles by joining our free newsletter at becomeabetterinvestor.net/join, and I will see you there.